A Fluency Waterfall consists of 3 tasks across 3 different topics. For the first task, you'll have 90 seconds to speak, 60 seconds for the second task, and only 45 seconds for the last task. The second and third task should be familiar if you were here for the previous day of practice. Come back soon, and today's practice will help you grow. We will always encourage you to record yourself during your practice. This way you can review your recording and make a plan for how you want to improve.
Why is it important to keep old buildings? And what problems do we face when trying to fit them into modern cities? What happens to traditions when people move far away from their culture centers? Are everyday clothes becoming more casual or more formal? How does this affect society?
Stop recording now. You have finished for today. We can't wait for you to come back tomorrow and do it again. Unless today is Saturday, and then we will see you on Monday. With the next set of practice tasks, you will see today's 90 and 60-second task again but have less time to speak. You will also be introduced to a new topic for your practice.